Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where I show you how to dominate in the crypto markets. As Bitcoin and most altcoins are still taking a hit from all the fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the air, Cardano does not care, as Cardano just blasted off to new all-time highs, and personally speaking, I think it's just getting started. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the price charts and seeing where Cardano might go next. So make sure you stick with me until the very end. You smash the like button, you leave a comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to Crypto Empire so you don't miss any important updates in the future. And as always, let the gains be with you. Starting off, let's take a look at the market cap as a whole. We can see Bitcoin still below $50,000 at $49,690. Ethereum $3,800, BNB $580. But what we need to be paying attention to today, the outlier in the markets. While everything else is red, Cardano is green. Cardano is $1.89. It did tap $1.97 today on the Binance exchange. I know that. Let's take a look at the all-time high on CoinGecko and see if it is $1.97. Yeah, $1.97. So all exchanges. So yeah, Cardano hit a new all-time high today, $1.97. Round of applause for all the ADA hodlers out there who have been with this coin for the long haul, because it's a ride, right? We go up, we go down. Cardano is a very volatile asset, and it's really been testing our patience as of late, but it finally did break out of that consolidation range. But right now, I actually want to talk about something very important, and this is about you as a cryptocurrency investor. And now this is a graph of some major smart contract blockchains. And the reason that I'm including this segment in this Cardano video is because it is something that you need to consider, because I get asked personally every single day, Connor, I only have $10,000. I only have $15,000. How should I invest it? Now, first of all, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. If you do want professional financial advice, you should go to a licensed, certified financial advisor. I am just a man who comes on here on camera, who is very passionate about cryptocurrency, and I truly do believe that blockchain technology is changing the world for the better. So I do my best to keep you guys updated on what I am looking at in crypto and what I think are very good opportunities. So right now you're taking a look at some major smart contract blockchains. We have Kusama, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, Solana, Cosmos, Ethereum, Cardano, of course, and Avalanche. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because, like I just said, I get asked all the time, Connor, where should I put my money? I only have $10,000. If you don't want to spread yourself too thin, well, then you should invest in one ecosystem, right? Go all in on one ecosystem that you believe will come out successful. Now, personally speaking, I think a lot of these ecosystems will be utilized in the future. This crypto is too tribal. Crypto needs to be more open-minded, because everything has a place, everything has a utility. Yes, a lot of these coins, a lot of these ecosystems are doing the same thing, but some people like Coca-Cola and some people like Pepsi. Just the world we live in, everybody has their own taste and preferences. Now, Cardano is a coin that I'm heavily invested in. I've been holding since 2017, right? I've been holding that same bag and I've been adding to it. But personally speaking, I am mostly bullish on the Polkadot ecosystem and Kusama as well. If I were to really only pick one out of all of these, I would pick Polkadot. But this is a video about Cardano, obviously, so we're going to keep talking about Cardano. But you as an investor, you need to keep this in mind, because one ecosystem, if you go all in, can really, really benefit you. Because with Cardano, we do have CardStarter, which is the ideal platform. If you do want to get in the early projects on Cardano, the ones that are just launching before anybody else, and get in those pre-sale prices, well, then you need CardStarter. So, if you want to go all in on Cardano, well, then you should be getting in the pre-sales, right? So something you need to consider, right? Solana has SolStarter. It's just about to release. They're doing their whitelist right now. There's an opportunity for you to get an airdrop. So look into that, right? SolStarter, Solana. There's PokeStarter on PokeSwap. And then there's also PokeX, which will be coming out shortly in about a month's time, I believe. I'll be making a video about PokeX. It's going to be a decentralized automated market maker, as well as an IDO launchpad platform. And of course, there's PokeStarter as well. It's been around for a while now. And if you want to go in on Ethereum pre-sales, there's DuckDAO. So you need to make that decision as the investor. Which ecosystem do I want to go all in on, or do I want to spread myself across many different ecosystems? I myself am spread among many different ecosystems, right? I'm mainly in Ethereum, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, and Cardano, but I'm not in any Cardano altcoins because they aren't really out yet. And I do own a lot of Cosmos as well. So yeah, with that being said, do you want to be spread thin, or do you want to go all in on one? You need to make that decision as the investor. It is very important to kind of know the basis of how this works. I know a lot of people that watch this channel are newer to crypto, so I just want to kind of educate you guys onto essentially all of these coins, all of these chains are doing pretty much the same thing. You can all build smart contracts on top of them, right? They're all going to be interoperable in the future when everything is built for mass adoption, when that infrastructure is built. So keep that in mind. What do you want to go all in on? But with that being said, let's focus on Cardano, because we have been absolutely taking off recently. We are at $1.87 right now. And now, as we can see, we were trading in this range. If you guys did watch my video about 1 week ago, I mentioned that this Cardano breakout was going to be happening soon. I'll put a little clip up right here. The reason I'm bringing up Cardano is because, again, it's been trading sideways for quite a while now. Now, with Cardano, we are at the upper end of the range at about $1.34. However, if we can look, we've been trading sideways. I mean, I'll take it from over here to be conservative. We've been trading sideways for 63 days. Over 2 months, we've been in this sideways range. All right, the longer the consolidation, the bigger the move in whichever direction it does want to take. And being that we are in a bull market, I am biased that we will move to the upside, which is why I'm bringing up Cardano in this video. So congratulations to you if you did position yourself to capture this move. You already know the crypto empire community was waiting for this. Now, with that being said, we can see that we did retest this support line yesterday, right here at the $1.47, $1.50 price level. And now, first of all, I just want to bring up, where did we go right away to? We went right to a Fibonacci extension level. If I take this most recent swing high down to the swing low, you can see that we went right down here, or we went right up here to the 0.618 extension level. There is a reason that I always draw my fib lines, my retracements, and my extensions, and that's because price loves to respect these levels. So this isn't some kind of hocus pocus magic trick. No, this is literally just the Fibonacci sequence on the price charts. It just works over and over and over again. If you do want to find out how to use the Fibonacci for your own trading and technical analysis, make sure you do watch my video on how to trade with the fib. I'll put a little card up here for you to go and check out on your own time. But yeah, guys, the Fibonacci, guys, is very, very useful. It's my main trading indicator. It's my bread and butter because it just works. Now let's drop this down to a 4 hour and see what we are doing. So it kind of looks like we are consolidating again right at this Fibonacci level, right? I'll put that back on the chart so you guys can see it. We take this high to this low. And yeah, we're using this fib level as resistance. I'm going to draw a little yellow line for us to keep there. Most likely what is going to be happening is we'll have a breakout of this level. We'll test the trend line, and then we'll retest this fib level that we're using as resistance. We'll flip it to support. So I'm looking for the support resistance flip at the $1.95 price level. Definitely be looking out for that on your own. And now with that being said, it's not going to go straight up, right? Cardano is a volatile asset. It loves to swing up and down. It's a very emotional ride if you're watching it too closely, which is why I have my Cardano staked and I'm not worried about it. It's earning interest for me and I'm growing my portfolio. I'm growing my number of base units. I'm growing the number of ADA I hold in my wallet. So keep that in mind. You don't want to be just constantly looking at the price all the time. Detach yourself from the outcome in investing. If you have money in here that you can't afford to lose, you're going to be checking the price every 3 seconds, and that's no way to live your life. Crypto is important. It means a lot to me. I do spend probably over half my day looking at crypto, looking at charts, but I try my best to not get too emotionally tied to the outcomes of these trades, because I know in the end that blockchain is going to win. Bitcoin, of course, is the king. There's no doubt about that. Bitcoin is number one, and it will be number one for years to come. But all these other coins, right? Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Cosmos, Polkadot, Kusama, they're all going to win in the end. Everything is going on the blockchain, and there needs to be networks to support everything we have on the internet. Don't get too emotionally tied to the outcome is what I'm trying to say here, right? Have patience. Cardano, guys, my end of year price prediction, $10, like it sounds crazy, right? $10 Cardano, but we're already at $2. It definitely could happen. And now we also have this trend line. I do expect us to continue upwards in this channel, but I'm going to go out to a daily for a second. And I want to show you guys what happened over here. We can see that with this one trend line, I haven't moved this trend line in months, right? It's been here since January. I haven't touched it. And we can see that we did end up breaking above the trend line. And then we use it as support, right? And we pushed to new all-time highs here at this $1.49 level, which is a key support resistance flip on the chart. So when we do end up breaking above this upper trend line, right? When we go and we break above the trend line and start to use it as support, this is when we're going to be seeing the explosive growth for Cardano. So I am definitely looking out for that when we do break above this support and then you start breaking above this trend line and then using the trend line as support. These are going to be opportunities to take trades, to catch these bounces on the trend line. So be looking out for this scenario if you are trading on your own. I think it definitely will serve as an excellent opportunity. And history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. And I can see price using the trend line again as an area of support. And this is just going to be an excellent trading opportunity. So yeah, guys, with Cardano, guys, I am looking for maybe another retest of this lower trend line or lower support line at the $1.50 price level, and it does coincide with this trend line as well. This other one I have here, starting from here, right? Been touched many times. It's been touched about 4 times. We can see 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. We break below it. We use it again as support. So this is a very key trend line as well. Big reason I have it drawn on the chart. If you want to learn how to use trend lines, I do have a trend line trading video up here on the channel as well. Definitely go ahead and check that out. I put these videos so you guys can learn and educate yourself so you're up to speed and you know exactly what I'm doing when I do my analysis, because I want to see every single one of you win. I want you to know how to trade, right? I had to spend a lot of money and a lot of my time to learn how to do this stuff. So I want to see you guys pick it up quickly and start using it to change your life, because crypto is the opportunity of a lifetime. This is the time to change your life financially. Everything else should go out the window. All the drama in your life, all of your problems, forget about them. All that matters right now is crypto. Okay, I know I just said don't get too emotionally tied to the outcome, but let's be real for a second. This is the golden opportunity to change your life financially. Don't get too obsessed, don't go too overboard with it, but understand that this opportunity will not last forever, and you are in the right place at the right time right now with crypto. Count your opportunities, count your blessings. Not everybody is in the position to dedicate themselves to learn how to do this kind of stuff and profit from it as well. So if you are making money right now in crypto, you know, don't get too high, don't get too low. Stay neutral, stay emotionless, stay stone cold. This is just you going to do your job. You go into the markets, you get your money, you get out like nothing ever happened, right? Keep that mentality, and this is how you will be successful. The second you get too high, you give it back. The second you get too low, you're not in the position to capture opportunities. So you need to stay at that neutral ground level with you and your emotions as an investor, especially in crypto, because this is the most volatile asset class that we have really ever witnessed in the history of the world. So yeah, guys, that is my Cardano analysis. Really very simple, right? I'm using Fibonacci extension lines. I'm using support and resistance on the price chart. I'm using trend lines. It doesn't have to be too complicated. I do expect us, like I said, to break above this trend line and use it as support. If we want to know where we're going to go in the immediate short term, I think this breakout, another big leg up is going to happen, because how altcoins work is they pump up, they consolidate, and then they just pump up again huge. So I think this is just the beginning of this next leg up for Cardano. It's going to get crazy. Where we're going to go first, $2.50. We have a fib level right here, $2.58. So yeah, I think at least $2.50 will be hit within the coming days. Maybe it might take a few weeks, but this is the first price level that I'm looking at in the immediate short term is $2.50. So to wrap this video up, I do just want to reiterate the point that if you are newer into crypto and don't know where to start, pick one project that you really believe in and maybe consider going all in on that one project and that one ecosystem. Get in on the pre-sales and the IDOs and really immerse yourself in that community. This way you become passionate, you become aware and educated about what is happening, and because there's so much to focus on in crypto and it moves so fast. If you don't pay attention for 12, 24 hours, you're totally out of the loop in crypto. So that is why I'm recommending to you, if you are newer, maybe consider one ecosystem, start from there. But again, I'm invested in many different ecosystems because I think everything will have its own place in the world of crypto and blockchain. And that was my Cardano analysis as well. $2.50 I do believe is the target for this next leg up before we see some kind of maybe a little bit of a retracement. If you did enjoy this video, let me know down in the comments below. Smash the like button and make sure you are subscribed to Crypto Empire as well. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and we will see you in the next video.